and welcome back to the Recipe Rookie, the show where I teach myself how to cook one dish at a time. Today we're taking a trip back to one of my favorite vacation memories, sailing on the Disney Fantasy cruise ship. During dinner one night, I ordered a sea bass recipe. Check it out right here. It looked like this. I'm not making this exact recipe because I couldn't find it, but I did find another sea bass recipe that they make on the cruise ships. It is a herb-crusted sea bass. But when I had this sea bass at dinner, I could not stop thinking about how light, fluffy, and buttery it tasted. So I wanted to make a dish that used sea bass, and I'm gonna do it here today. The dish I've chosen comes straight from the Disney cookbook and is a fan favorite of the Disney Cruise Line. So today I'm bringing back a little bit more Disney magic to the kitchen. It seems to be a theme lately. I just love all the Disney recipes, so I'm gonna try to make them myself. So let's see if I can do this and make this unforgettable meal today here on the Recipe Rookie. So let's cook. So what are the ingredients we have today? 4 sea bass fillets, 6 ounces each. 1 pound of mushrooms, 1 shallot finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, coarse salt, black pepper, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter softened, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of brandy, 1 teaspoon of chopped rosemary, 1 teaspoon of chopped thyme, 2 teaspoons of chopped Italian parsley, 2 teaspoons of garlic, and 1 whole egg. Okay, that's all the ingredients. It's time to make the mushroom Duxelles. I don't know if that's how you say it. It's Duxelles. So we're gonna make the mushroom part of the dish. Mushroom Duxelles, Duxelles. We're gonna make them. Let's cook. Okay, I've got my handy dandy knife, and we need to now finely chop these mushrooms before we head over to the grill and saute them. So finely chop, I don't really know what that means, but I'll just cut them up a lot. Okay, we go that way, and then we'll go this way. That looks good. That looks finely chopped to me. In a future episode, I might get some knife skills, because I could definitely use them. Look at this, finely chopping. Okay. The main objective here is not to cut my hand. Look at that. That is finely chopped. Okay, we got a few more here. Let's put them all on top like that, like a snowman. Then we'll just do this. Do a little bit more of this. I think that's finely chopped. If you do not, comment down below. Now it's time to get a frying pan, and we're gonna put these in, and we're going to prepare the mushroom Duxelles, the mushrooms. Meet me over there. Okay, here we are at the stove top. Let's turn it on here. First, while that starts heating up, we're gonna put a tablespoon of the olive oil. There we go. Okay, we're gonna let that heat up. Move that all around. No, it's back, it's back. That's looking like it's hot. Let's bring it down a little bit. Now we're gonna add the shallots. Yes, we're gonna add the shallots. Here we go. Come on, shallots. Add the mushrooms now. It's a lot of mushrooms. Okay, we're just gonna saute these, which means we're gonna make it so they're nice and soft. Add some salt. Okay, add some pepper. This looks good. All right, it's starting to smell good. We're gonna let that saute. All right, look at this. This is almost done. Here we go, we're cooking. All right, these are almost about done. Okay, there they are. We're gonna now put these in this bowl and let them sit on the side while we make the herb-crusted, the star of the show, basically. Okay, we're back at the table. It's time for the star of the show, the herb crust. We're gonna take our 6 pieces of unsalted butter. Put that in there. Now we put in the breadcrumbs. Okay. We need our garlic. Okay. Next, the rosemary. Okay. Our thyme. And the parsley. All that in there. Then we need our brandy. Oh, I forgot about that. I need my little measuring thing. Let's smell this. Oh, I'm not a huge brandy fan, but hey, it calls for it, so you gotta put it in. 1 tablespoon. Okay. Oh. Who is this? E and J. And an egg to hold it all together. Okay. Now, mix this all together. Oh yeah, that butter is way soft now. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, it's getting there. Looks like I could probably put this on. Yeah, that's good. Okay, I think that's all mixed up. I think it's time to assemble our dish. Let's get that fish over here. Here's our sea bass. We're gonna take this, put them nicely on our sheet. There's one piece that does not look like the others. Oh well. Spread a nice layer of the mushrooms. A nice layer of mushrooms on each piece. Okay. Should have probably done the one that wasn't the nice looking last, but of course I did. Okay, look at that, look at that. Okay, and then I guess I'll pick this up and put that thing back where it came from.
Put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. Get that thing away from me, you guys.
Okay. All right, next. Top it with the herb crust. That's it. So, I guess I use my hand here too. It's not pretty looking as I thought it would be, but maybe it magically gets pretty in the oven. Okay, put this on right here. Yeah, you go there. The oven is already preheated, so we can go straight into the oven after I'm done here, I think. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go pop this in the oven for about at 350 for 18 to 20 minutes. You're basically we'll be back in the oven when I take it out. Okay, the timer has gone off. Thank you, Google. Let's see what we got. All right. Well, that one fell over. I wonder, it's almost like someone tested to see if it was done. Look at that, there we go. And now I'm gonna take this out and we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. And then we're gonna taste it and let you know what it tastes like. All right, here's what we have. Herb-Crusted Sea Bass. All right, let's taste it and see how it is. Oh, I don't need my sting glove. All right, here we go. Put some of that crust on there. Oh. That's a good piece of fish. Hold on. Flaky, buttery, crispy with the topping. I think it's a winner. I would highly recommend this dish. And that's it for today's episode of The Recipe Rookie. I've never made sea bass before, but now I feel like I can make it for anyone. Maybe even serve it on a cruise ship someday. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like button. Please subscribe, and of course, please leave a comment down below. Let me know about your experience with sea bass. And also, I need some recipe ideas. I've been doing a lot of Disney. I need to hear what you guys would like me to make. So for everyone here at The Recipe Rookie, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's cook. 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. No, it's back. Let's smell this. Oh.